Meade might have officially closed its doors, but their gear is still hitting the market. We recently scored a few of their rare EclipseView telescopes at auction, specifically the EclipseView 82 and the 114 tabletop reflectors. At first glance, they look like twins. But under the hood, there is a massive functional difference. The EclipseView 82 gives you an 82mm spherical mirror and basic Huygens eyepieces. Let us be real, these are very entry-level. Paired with a spherical mirror, the view is usable, but it will not blow you away. It is a grab-and-go ultra-budget scope for kids. But the 114 model is where things get really interesting. This one steps up to a 114mm parabolic mirror, and that is a total game changer. Parabolic mirrors focus light accurately to a single point, which means sharper images, superior contrast, and way fewer optical flaws. It also upgrades the glass to modified achromatic eyepieces for a much cleaner, more comfortable view. Now, both scopes let you observe the sun, but you have to be smart about it. Always lock the solar filter onto the front of the tube before aiming, use the solar finder pinhole to align safely, and never look directly at the sun. So, what is the final verdict? The 82 is fine for the cheapest possible entry point. The 114 is a massive upgrade, but to truly unlock that parabolic mirror, you will eventually need to spend extra money on better Plössl eyepieces. If you want to skip that upgrade hassle and get something future-proof right out of the box, you need to check out our Astra 114. It gives you premium optics, a better focuser, superior build quality, and includes those high-end Plössl eyepieces from day one. And here is the most important takeaway. Whichever route you choose, none of these are those flimsy, cheap plastic refractor telescopes you see flooding the market. We call those hobby killers, and we at Edisla absolutely do not recommend them. Choose real gear that fits your budget and clear skies.